What makes a design feel cinematic is not the image itself, but how it is framed. Today, how to explore cinematic visual layouts. Open Canva and start with a square canvas. Insert a wide rectangular frame and place your image inside, cropping it for a cinematic perspective. Duplicate the frame twice, enlarging each layer slightly and reducing opacity to create depth behind the main shot. Add a second supporting frame for storytelling balance. Select the background and apply a dark gradient or moody tone. Add subtle blur and shadow effects to enhance atmosphere. Use position tools to control layering and composition flow. Add minimal